Hey, so if Clipdrop is not working on Chrome, yeah, like it won't load, tools are stuck, or nothing responds, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, just refresh the page. Temporary browser glitches often stop Clipdrop from loading properly. Next, yeah, make sure your internet is stable. Chrome won't load AI tools properly with weak or unstable internet. Now, cached files can break Clipdrop features. Clearing cache often fixes loading and tool issues. Yeah, extensions or ad blockers can block Clipdrop scripts. Try disabling them temporarily. Now, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. This disables extensions and cached data automatically. Yeah, an outdated Chrome version can cause compatibility issues. Make sure your browser is up to date. Now, VPNs or proxies can block AI tool requests. Try turning them off and reload Clipdrop. Yeah, if nothing works, resetting Chrome can fix hidden configuration issues affecting Clipdrop. If it still doesn't work, the problem might be on Clipdrop's side. Servers can go down or overload. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop not working on Chrome. Most of the time, it's cache, extensions, or browser issues. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching.